So now we have our monitors all set up. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on the FNAF series where we are recreating FNAF in Unity 5, and today we're going to be showing you how to create the level from FNAF 1, and you can either follow along with us and build it yourself or download the entire map in the description. If you're new to Unity, I would suggest building out the map by yourself so you get used to the user interface and get familiar with the shortcuts, but we will provide everything you see here in the Unity package that you can find in the description. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials on this series, and at the end we should have a playable 3D version where you can lock the player into position like the game, or you can walk around and try to avoid the enemies around the map. So we are going to modify it a bit to look more like the actual game. So if we look in here, we have a bunch of monitors around. I know it's dark, but you can see the computer equipment. We have some monitors over here, and it looks like a type of receiver, so we're going to use that. First, we will take this computer, change the color so that it matches the color in the game, which is black. So we're going to go into the materials and change the color of this object. And for this monitor right here, we are going to modify it. Since it is its own separate piece of the object, we can scale it to the size that we want. And it looks like in the game there's the controls under the monitor, so we're also going to rotate it. So let's rotate it first. Let's get it sitting on this stand better. And then we'll scale it down to the appropriate size. And it sits to the side, and we really don't need this destruct button, so we can get rid of that. And we have a few more monitors, so I'm just going to copy and paste this one and resize it a little bit and rotate a little bit so it doesn't look the exact same. It looks a little smaller. Just rotate it until everything looks good. Looks like there might be one more on that side, so we are going to take the entire object, move it over, and let's copy and paste this one, which is Command D again, or Control D on PC. And you can see in there we have a little cup and some foil. We'll add that in a later tutorial. And I'll also be adding the fan. I just need to model it in Blender so that we can rotate it. And then over on the other side, looks like there's 4 more monitors. So just do the same thing. So now we have our monitors all set up and it looks decent. So next we are going to add a few more things that are included in the download in the description. We're going to go into the closet, the janitor's closet, and in the game you can see a broom here and a shelf, so we're going to add those. And I'm just going to assume that these shelves duplicate throughout the room. And if we go over to Pirate Cove and we see the pictures, we see there are 2 wall fixtures. We will have the stage made next time and everything here, but we have the wall fixtures. I made them in Blender. So I'm going to add them right here. And on the other side as well. So next time we'll be adding the camera map that we did in the first tutorial. If you missed that, the link is down in the description. And we will be adding some more wall textures so that it matches the game better. We will also be adding the stage and the Pirate Cove stage as well. And we'll continue making the map until everything matches, and then we will add our camera map back on, and we will also add the animations for the doors and the light switches and do all of the lighting in the environment. So that's all we're going to show you today. If you liked the video, click the like button, subscribe to us so you don't miss the future tutorials that we do on this. And if you want to see how we created the models in Blender, let us know. We can release the tutorials for that. Pretty much all of the objects that we've done were simple, so it'd be quick to show you how to do that, like the desk and the wall fixtures. And thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you next time.